Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments on booking.com. So first is head over to your admin page on booking.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your booking.com account. Next is click on property, then click on property policies. Now from your property policies page, scroll down until you see the guest payment options. So currently, I'm using the payments feature by booking.com. So for us to be able to change it to credit card payments, we're going to head over back to the top, click on finance, then click on finance settings. And from here, as you can see, we have recently deactivated payments by booking.com so we can enable the credit card payments method. Now from here, scroll down until you get to the bank details. Now for us to receive payouts from booking.com, just click on this drop-down menu. Now from here, we're just going to need to add bank details. Click on edit bank details. From here, just fill in details about your bank account, starting with your bank name. Next is type in your account number, your account holder name, and address. Then once done, head over and click on Update Bank Details. So once your bank information is being reviewed, you can head back to Property, then once again click on Property Policies. Next, scroll down, and from here, you should be able to see the edit button now available on the guest payment options section. Just click on it. Here, just choose credit card payment options that you want to be available for your account. Just tick the box beside the bank provider. Then once done, head over and click on save. Now you should be able to see this message that says you accept the following credit cards. That means that the credit card payment option is now available for your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!